Hi everyone, welcome back to Smart Solutions Hub. In this video, I'll show you how to clear cache in Windows 10 and Windows 11 to speed up your computer and free up storage space. Step 1. Disk Cleanup. First, click on the Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup, and Windows will scan for temporary files. And a Disk Cleanup utility will appear. You just have to checkmark all the boxes. The things we're deleting here are all cache and temporary files. Whenever we open any application, temporary files and cache get created, which we didn't absolutely create. Once you've checkmarked all the boxes, click OK and it will start cleaning. Step 2. Storage Settings. Next, open Settings. Search for Storage Settings. Here, you can see which files are taking up space. You can review them and remove them to clear even more cache. Step 3. Browser Cache. If you use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or even Firefox, clearing the browser cache also helps. Open your browser. As for me, I'm making use of Chrome. Click on those three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Go to Settings. Then at the left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security. Select Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cached Images and Files, then click Clear or Delete Data. And that's it! You've successfully cleared cache in Windows 10 or Windows 11. This should help speed up your computer and free up space. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Smart Solutions Hub for more quick computer fixes. Thanks for watching!